Shakti. Shakti Malai and Irumudi observance are to dispel the darkness in you, to bring harmony to the family, and also to cleanse you from your sins. The observance is quite simple and easy to follow. What is Irumudi? An Irumudi ritual is a form of worship. A devotee wears a string of red beads that has a pendant called the Shakti Malai or the sacred beads. The pendant bears Amma's image on one side and a Sri Chakra on the other. One puts together Abhishekam items or the sacred anointment items and a rice bag for Annadanam in a twin Irumudi bag. The Irumudi is knotted and placed in the worship center during the period of Vratam or observance, and then it is brought to Melmarvattur Siddhar Peedam. Who can follow this form of worship and how? Shakti Malai can be worn by women, men, and children regardless of age. Devotees should wear Shakti Malai and observe Vratam or fasting for 5 or 3 days at their residence as a prelude to the Irumudi pilgrimage. Irumudi should be offered only at the Siddhar Peedam on completion of the Viratham. During the entire Shakti Malai observance period, devotees should follow the dress code even during work. Those who have completed Shakti Malai rituals 9 times should wear reddish yellow attires. Until then, it is only the red attire that has to be worn. Only cotton wear is allowed. Synthetic and silk wear should be strictly avoided. How should Vratam or fasting be followed? Devotees should give up 1 meal a day. Devotees should avoid sleeping on the bed and should sleep on the floor over a red cloth. On the days of fasting, one should avoid any kind of indulgence, control one's mind, avoid bad habits, recite mantras, should greet fellow devotees with Om Shakti, and avoid footwear. One should bathe twice and chant the 108 mantras at home in the mornings and evenings. If possible, one can chant the 1008 mantras in the mornings. They should take part in collective prayers at worship centers in the evening. If there is no Adiparashakti worship center nearby, they can visit any temple in the vicinity and perform the collective worship by temporarily installing Amma's pictures. Menstruation is not an impediment for women during the Irumudi period. Any untoward incident in the family is not an impediment either. The removal of Shakti Malai is not required if unfortunate events may have occurred in the houses of relatives and friends. One can participate and help in all those activities even while wearing the Shakti Malai. Devotees should refrain from any kind of addictions, even consuming betel leaves and betel nuts. Those who desire to wear the Shakti Malai should duly pay and obtain the Irumudi set consisting of the bag, sacred beads and pendant only from Siddhar Peedam. They can also buy from the respective mandrams or Shakti Peedams. Devotees who observe Irumudi for the first time should procure a red Irumudi set and use it for the next 9 years. Devotees observing Irumudi for the 10th time should buy a new yellow set and can use it for the subsequent years. Amma has ordained to replace the yellow set with a new one for the 14th Malai. For all other years, the same set should be retained and used. The bag and Malai form a set and cannot be interchanged separately with another. One must handle and store these items with care.
Om Shakti.
Please like,
share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.